Hey guys, I'm here today at Glautier. In the not too distant past, I was introduced to the MA-FRA foam cutting pads. What I've tried so far is the microfiber. So I'm actually quite excited today to try the rest of the kit, which is a medium cut foam pad, finishing foam pad, and a super finishing foam pad. What we're going to do is try it with the Polish all-in-one product that's soon to be launched, coming in from MA-FRA, available through Glautier. And see what sort of results we get doing microfiber cut, the cutting foam pad, and then the normal medium finishing foam pad, all with the same product. We'll run the same amount of passes, same speed, and we'll see the results we get. Guys, before I tear the packs open, just to give you a heads up, it's very, very well detailed on the packaging to say what each of the pads are for. It'll give you your range of what you're going to get cutting to finishing on each of the pads on the packaging. It's pretty self-explanatory. I think it'll be a great product for you guys to test with the existing compounds you're using, be it cutting compounds or finishing compounds, and see the results you get in between. I think it's a great, well-manufactured pad. I'm one that's pretty much old school when it comes to priming a pad. I do believe in trying to get the fibers pretty much coated with product before you start, so that there isn't really dry fibers pushing against the paintwork. So it's just to give a light coating so that there is some product across the face of the pad, and then normal straightforward 3 spots for a 300 by 300 to 400 by 400 area. Just for all the guys wondering, I'm using a Flex XE8. It's a forced rotation machine with what they call positive action drive. Now we're going with a medium cut foam pad. Again, I'm just trying to prime it and make sure that the surface area has a bit of product on it, so it's not starting off dry. You guys that are ADD, let me get to the dry spots and put it on properly. Passes with this frame, 50% overlap. Compare the results. This is the finishing foam. Not too much product on there. Again, just trying to get the whole surface primed. There isn't a dry section that you're going to touch the paint with. Lots of people don't believe in it, each to your own. I do believe in having the whole surface with a dampness to it before you actually touch the paint, so that there's no dry section immediately cutting. used the microfiber pad in the first section, the foam cutting in the second section, the foam finishing in the third section, and it's done exactly that. We've got a much better cut with the microfiber, and then less and less of a cut as you go across to the softer pad. But it would be very dependent on the paint that you're working on. You could play with the pad with that one all-in-one compound and polished product from MA-FRA, and play with the finish, just changing the pad. Just in conclusion, guys, I think the pads are awesome. I've used the microfiber before. I like the density of the foam. There's a decent amount of foam. It's not too low a profile pad, so you can get into the contours nice and easily, especially with the forced rotation machine. First time I'm using the foam cuts really, really well. I think it's going to be very interesting to try those pads with dedicated compounds and polishers, obviously, in other types of jobs that you're going to do. But yeah, very impressed. I'm going to take them. We'll share the wash process with the pads as well, and then you can buy a couple, give it a try, see what you think.